So today we're making lightening molato soap. So I decided to make this intro to remind you to please subscribe to my channel. Come on, come on. All I'm asking is for you to click the subscribe button. That's all, please. Okay, let's make the soap. So we're starting with shredding our soaps. I already shredded 4 of Larissa soaps in here. I made use of Larissa soap because I ran out of my base soap that I normally use in making molato. So my customer called and she needed the soap that she's traveling, so I decided let me make use of Larissa, considering I know Larissa will not change color and it's also a good base soap. So here I am grating the remaining of the Larissa. I don't want this video to be so long, so that is why I decided to just grate it off camera. So the next soap I will incorporate here is Caro White soap. Caro White soap is very good lightening soap. Also, it helps with dark spots, hyperpigmentations, and any discoloration on the skin. So I am making use of only one of the Caro White soap. As you can see, I'm only making a small quantity, so if you are making a large batch, you know how to replicate the formula. So this soap is very good. This molato soap that we are about to make is good in treating hyperpigmentation because we are going to incorporate a lot of good ingredients like actives that will activate this soap and make it suitable for hyperpigmentation, dark spot discoloration, and it can even out your skin tone. So right here we have finished grating our Caro White soap. We are making use of rose water to soak these soaps. I am begging you, please don't use any water apart from rose water or distilled water. I don't even normally use distilled water because I don't know, I prefer rose water, really, because your soap can go bad, your soap can go rancid, it can even change color. So here we're just mixing the soaps. So you have to forgive the change of camera because my phone died, the battery died, so I have to change to something else. So this is our alpha arbutin powder. Alpha arbutin is a very good skin treatment and lightening powder that you can use on your lotion, soaps, creams and all of that. So we are using alpha arbutin powder in this recipe. I use rose water to dissolve the alpha arbutin before putting it inside. This powder will give this soap that luxurious whitening of the skin, and it will help treat any discoloration naturally. So another powder is our Sepia White. Sepia White is also a good mild whitening powder, and it can help in treating dark spots, hyperpigmentations, and any form of discoloration. So we are using Sepia White also in this recipe. We are melting it with dissolving it with our rose water before adding it. So the total rose water we are using here, total amount of rose water we are using in this formulation is 60 grams. Yes, you don't want to use too much of water because you don't want your soap to be so watery. So combination of soapy white and alpha butane powder creates a very good lightening effect on your product. Whichever product you're producing and you mix these two powder, they will give you a considerable amount of lightening. So here we are measuring our lightening oil. I actually made this oil myself. It's a combination of so many lightening oils together with kojic dip powder. Kojic dip powder is very good powder for treating dark spots also, and also skin lightening. So there is kojic dip in that oil. That oil is my personal oil I sell in my brand. So I made use of this oil. If you don't have it, you can use either whitening oil, or let me see what other oil is good that will not change color. Anyways, whitening oil. So here I am measuring my skin-free milk. Skin-free milk, if you know skincare or if you do skincare, you know it's a very good whitening serum. This skin-free milk can give you from shade 1 to shade 30 in no time. So I also make use of it in this formulation. Is very good. It will help to boost the lightening or whitening effect of this soap. So another ingredient is our citral clear oil. Citral clear oil is very good oil. Considering this soap we cannot use lemon oil, so in the place of lemon oil we use citral clear oil. It's a whitening oil too. It can whiten your skin. So I made use of the whole bottle because I later on use the remaining of the whole bottle. So here I used preservative. This is Germa Plus preservative. Is very good. It's a broad spectrum preservative and is good for this formulation. And here I am using a secret oil. This oil right here is a very strong oil for treating bacteria, fungi, and that kind of diseases on your skin. Is very strong, so that is why I'm using a very small amount of this oil. Secret oil is an antiseptic oil. It will prevent acne from coming out or pimples. It will clear the pimples and acne that are present on your face or skin. So I allowed this soap to soak overnight, and in the morning, here is it. I mix it on my hand mixer, and this soap come out so good. It was so smooth and very effective. Don't forget to subscribe.